Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Wow, I am back from Italy. You see this video on Monday and I'm recording it on Monday, so it never happens. Actually, it doesn't happen very often, put it this way, because I normally film my videos ahead due to, my daily job. But yeah, I was so excited to go back in my craft room. Apologies in advance, guys, but I have a terrible cough. It's not COVID or anything, but I think it's a mixture of high fever. When we were in Italy, we stayed a lot of times in my friend's farmhouse, and I think I got a bit of high fever from there, and also from the air conditioning in the airplane. It gets me on my throat straight away. So if you hear me coughing, I apologize in advance. I don't know what I can do much about it. I took some medicines. I had a spoon of honey, which was really nice, as well as calm my throat a little bit. So that's why I sound a bit croaky. So yeah, but I'm on the mend, but nothing serious. Housewife, right. We might have some news soon, but we don't want to tempt fate. Okay, so I will give you an update in the due course. Okay, but bear with me, because we might have good news coming up fairly soon. I'll leave it there. What I need you guys to do, if you have a candle at home, just light a candle and send me some positive vibe, because I really need things to speed up and hopefully go in the right way. But what I can say is that we put another offer on another property. So yeah, fingers crossed. Right, so what I'm going to do today, a lovely lady called Asha, I hope I pronounce it right, Asha or Asha, bought my journal when I was in Italy, and I apologize to her to say I'm very sorry, I'm in Italy at the moment, but I will ship it as soon as I get back to the UK. Now, but today's bank holiday here in the UK, so everything is closed, banks are closed, post office are closed, and I wanted to show you this for the last time, and I wanted to give you some ideas of what to incorporate in a journal. I've done a video a few weeks ago in collaboration with Donna, and I have a lot of positive feedback about that sort of videos, that sort of style videos, that instead of making tutorials or making things, I give you some tips, or I show you what I did, just to give you some more ideas, I guess. Because this little boy is living today, is really big. Now, as you can see, it don't even fit on my camera. So if I put it like that, you will see. But I don't want you to get a neck ache. I don't want you for you to watch the video this way, otherwise it's not going to work. So I'm going to film it this way, but unfortunately you might not see, in fact you're not going to see the entirety of the journal. So this journal, it's 12 by 6 by 4, no, sorry, by 2. That's 2 inches. It's really thick. It's 3 signatures. So if I can somehow trying to show you, yeah, 1, 2 and 3. So this was on sale on my website, and the lovely Asha bought it. So I thought, let me give you some ideas on what to incorporate in a journal. Okay, so from the cover to the pages, etc. At the end of the video, I will show you, because I wrote down a list, okay, on just a page of a PDF, and it's on my Facebook group. So if you guys go there with the rest of my freebies, you can download it for free and you just keep it. You can print it for your reference, etc, etc, but I'll show you later on. Right, because I don't want this video to be extremely long, let's crack on. So the cover is a mixture cover. So it was cardstock covered in fabric. So this is the fabric that I have chosen, and on top of that I put some lace and some trim. So again, different ideas on how to decorate a cover. And on the front here is some ephemera. So you close it like this, you close it with a ribbon. I'm not going to tie a knot, because I'm going to pack it in a way that Asha will close it herself. And things are peeling off. So this is handmade, so it's not perfect. Okay, so what to include in a journal: pages from your notebooks that you can write or journal, and also some vintage ephemera. These were gifted to me. They were some printout, okay, and then I aged with some ink. I also put some 6x6 paper that I don't necessarily use for other projects, so I tend to put it in the journals as a point of interest. As you can see, I love the contrast. This is Stampin' Up paper, a notebook page, this, and this is my coffee stain paper. This is a digital. Everything that I have used I will link down below, so you guys, if you wish to purchase, will be there for your reference. And stickers on the corner there. These are the rub-on stickers from Topology that you just put in there, and then with a little spatula you just rub on. Okay, these are 12 by 12 papers, and these are botanical stickers. I love the contrast between botanical and stripes. Geometric and botanical is something that I always loved. I tend to do different textures paper, so another tip is to use glitter paper. Okay, so this was a printout from my old digital. It's not available on the website. Coffee stain paper, lace. I love lace to be used as a page, border, because I just think it's just out of your interest. This is the back of that. This is another page from a notebook that I had at home, and I just put some more stickers. One there and one there. This is one of my digitals, and this is some embellishment that we've done together. So if I can remember, guys, I will list everything down below. This is one of my digitals to use as a belly band. So use paper, because this is just literally a printout on my digital, glued in there, and use as a belly band. Okay, so you get this little piece of ephemera. It's one of my kit. So just pop it in there. So Asha will have a little play. This is another page, another notebook page. Now, what I suggest when you guys do, this is from the antiquarian sticker book. I've got it here in front of me. So I use these stickers. Literally, I want to finish this book this year, so I will use it a lot on my journals, because I want to use what I've got. Otherwise, it's not a good return of investment of our money, and we work hard for it. So use stickers as a tag box or as a way to stick pages to your journal. So if Asha wants, she can remove the sticker, she can peel off the sticker and remove this page, or she can leave it as they are. Completely up to her. Another tip is to use borders to decorate blank page or plain page. Now, this is quite structures, quite not boring, but it's stuff in interest. If you don't look at that, it's just a page with hearts. And I made this. We did this together, guys. Again, I will link everything. I hope I can find everything on my channel, but I will list everything down below. Use music note paper. With these are some T-Mold's paper. I just trim it just on the corner there. I'll always put some paper doilies in my journal, because oh no, that's meant to be glued down, because it just adds interest. Look how vintage it is. Look on floral paper next to the music sheets, and that some more coffee stain paper. Now, what I tend to use in my journal is cereal liners. Do you know the plastic bags is on the cereal box? And what I simply did, I'll glue down there, just put some stickers, and this is a pocket. Okay, so this is more T-Mold's paper than I had, and I wanted to use up. So use the cereal liner from your box, cereal box, to create pockets. This is another border. Again, this is the back of the cereal liner, and I simply put a sticker there, a double side there, and they are pockets. And this is some tags Asha will play with and do her own creation. Then what I tend to do as well is to create belly band. So this is a large belly band. Can you see? So this is a plastic, like an acetate ephemera. I made it layers. Again, if I remember, I'll put the link. And I just put some thread there, and I just put this page inside. So if I remove that page, you can see. So it works as a belly band, and I just put that page inside. Another tip is to use pages, stick it there, to create 3D sort of embellishment, and again that works as pocket as well. A triangle pocket with some embellishment that we did together. So we made together these tags, this more fabric embellishment, and more these botanical stickers. This is the back of that glitter paper. And what I tend to do when, again, there's something a bit plain, I add ephemera in the pocket, in the corner, sorry. But I always leave the guys the opportunities to do what they want. So I just put some paper clips to make sure that the embellishment are removable. Okay, so the person that received the journal decided what to do. You can either staple it, but I prefer to use paper clips. Let me have a look at other tips that I can give you. As you can see here, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sort of types of papers in one big page. So if you think that is a page, you got all different dimensions. So don't be scared to try to mix pattern, because look how interesting it looks visually. You got hearts, you got floral, you got geometric, you got floral, you got a plain, you got paper dollies, you got coffee stained, you got you got a really nice geometric, but all blends together, and you see how these 6 different pages works together. Another tip I want to give it to you guys is to fold out. So when you do your pages, don't be scared to give some 3D aspects on that. So yeah, another tip I will give you guys, use some beads or jewelry embellishment, as well as another tip, use playing cards to create some ephemera. Again, I hope you just get some inspiration from this. There is more embellishment we did in some more tags. Let's have a look what is in here. Oh, another tip I want to give you guys is use pages. So this was one page that I folded in a corner and create pockets. So when you can do the same in here. I don't want to do it because I do like this page there. But when you end up with pockets that you want to create some pockets, you just need to sellotape that. This is a double side tape in there, and you just fold it inwards and you got some pockets. Another tip I want to give you, use vellum. You can print digital papers like my digitals or anybody's digitals on vellum, and when you print on vellums, the vellums give you that see-through, and this is, I think, that is a really nice, interesting way to break patterns. Okay, some more lace. This is some more ephemera. Another tip I want to give you. This was do you know Easter, the chocolate rabbit? This was on the Lind chocolate. This was the round the neck. Okay, so I recycled beads, or what do you call this, like a bell, missing a word in English, but you know what I mean. So jingle bells. So add things to your journal that make noises if you can. That's the back of the vellum. What else can I show you? Oh yeah, that's the same concept. So use the paper clip to attach ephemera that is removable. That's more lace borders. As you can see, the same, it's kind of like the same techniques all the time, but did in a different way. So I like to gift in my journals, to give some gift pouches. So this is full of original stamps, vintage stamps that Asher will play with, will benefit from it. This is more stickers. What else can I show you? Again, some embellishment that can use as a tuck pocket. Love these. What else? This is the same set from this butterfly. They were part of the same set. What else? Just gonna quickly give you a quick flip through. Some embellishment can be done as a tuck spot. That's more glitter paper. is a really nice large fabric ribbon to use as a border, because you see there is a lot of pink in here, and I wanted something to give a wow factor, like a pop, some color to pop. Okay, another tip I want to give you, trying to use different fabric and different paper. So now this was a net paper, net, it's not paper but like a net fabric, trying to add things in your journal to give it a bit of dimension. Okay, what else? This is a side pocket full of ephemera. Look how many pieces there are in there. Loads of pages. I'm sure Asha will play with this journal for quite a while. There's a lot of writing spot as well. What else can I show you? I knocked off one since the beginning of the video, which I'm very proud of. Oh, side pockets. So you see here, for example, what's the other pocket there? So when you create pocket, do pockets in a different dimension. Okay, so in this way, so do a full length pocket, a mid-page pockets. So again, don't do the same pockets in the same style, just trying to give a different dimension. This one here, this one there, another sticker pages, and that is it. Okay, so I hope I gave you some ideas. I know I showed you this a couple of weeks ago, but I thought before this little bad boy goes to France, I thought, oh, let's do a quick flip through for the last time, so you guys can hopefully give you some more ideas. So I'm just going to go, I'm gonna pack, and I'm going to go to the post office, and the lovely Asha will get this journal hopefully very soon. Let me show you my the freebie from this video, and let me show you where to find it at as well. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group. So once you're in, you scroll down, so you see all the posts from the lovely crafters. So this is post from Wendy that made a folio using some of my papers. That's my post about the Easter kit. Again, there's loads of creators that, oh, this is Julia, that she recently joined my VIP membership. Thank you, Julia. Again, all other crafters, they share the video tutorials, and of course all my freebie. Okay, so it's a very interactive platform. I really recommend, if you guys are on Facebook, to join us, because you get tons and tons of ideas. So where do you find your my freebie? So if you click on files there, you see all the freebies that I have shared in date order. Okay, so from the most recent to the most old ones, and there is about 3 years worth of freebies. So come and join us there, and what you do is simply click in there and then download. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big huge fat thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, because you tell the algorithm how much you love my freebie. Okay guys, I will put a link on a video just in a few minutes. If you guys wish to carry on watching some more idea and inspiration, please feel free to do so. I will see you next week for another fabulous video, and until then, stay safe and well. Bye.